Hello, I would like to welcome you today to a new video series from Rohde Schwarz about the Internet of Things. We call it Let's Talk IoT. Why we are talking about IoT, why we are doing this new video series. We made the experience that we got a lot of questions from our customers, especially new customers, which are struggling a little bit with the new terms around IoT, about the technologies, the test challenges, and so on and so far. Let's explain me a little bit what are the main challenges that our customers are facing today and that we would like to address in this video series. First of all, there are a couple of technology choices. There are so many technologies for the Internet of Things that a lot of people struggling what is the right technologies for my applications, for my purpose. And there are not only technology stuff, which is the best data rate, what is the best coverage, which is the best battery lifetime. There are also some other aspects that they are important. We would like to give you some insight, some raw information about the different technologies most important for the Internet of Things. Then we also recognize there is a kind of challenge in designing Internet of Things devices. If you're looking, for example, on the design complexity. And nowadays it's quite easy to make a prototype for the Internet of Things because you get a lot of Internet of Things development platforms and devices that you can easily use to make a first prototype, and you can show how Internet of Things applications works and whether you can realize the ideas. But making out of this prototype later a real product which can you deploy to the market, a kind of mass deployment, and which we can use in every environment or in the environment that you would like to use, it's not an easy task, and you have to integrate a lot of different things in a kind of very tiny devices, for example, and this is the kind of challenges that we would like to address and explain a little bit how testing can help in this kind of design process. Another thing is, what about certification? A lot of people are coming, which kind of certification I need to do if I would like to bring my product on the market. There's of course certification requirements from the regulator, but there are also sometimes something from the from an operator, like a mobile operator or some others, and also from standardization organization, like from Wi-Fi or from Bluetooth. And sometimes people are struggling what they have to do and what is the right solution to use for. We would like to give you some information about this as well. And then the Internet of Things is a little bit different if we are looking on the requirements, especially on the high reliability and high availability requirements, and also concerning the lifetime. So if you would like to bring an IoT device on the market, for example, in smart metering, this device has to work for the next 10 or 15 years, located, for example, in the basement of houses. These are special requirements regarding reliability, regarding coverage, regarding power consumption. And we would like to talk a little bit about this. So what we have planned for the next couple of videos in our new video series, Let's Talk IoT, where we would like to address, of course, also the power of testing. We would like to address some of the main technologies like Zigbee or Thread. If you go more in the smart home environment, of course, Wi-Fi is important, also Bluetooth, what's new in Bluetooth. Looking also in a couple of low-power WAN technologies like Sigfox, LoRa. And also, of course, the new technologies like narrowband IoT and eMTC. But not only on the technology itself, also sometimes on specific features like the power saving mode for eMTC and narrowband IoT, or the eDRX in narrowband IoT and eMTC. And we would also like to address how we can test and help in designing specific or to meet specific requirements like power consumption, security, coverage, or latency. These are just a couple of topics that we would like to address in some short videos in our new series, Let's Talk IoT. Thank you very much for watching and stay tuned.